What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. So today we have a little treat. Oh, nope, not that one. Oh, nope, that's a Mustang. Huh. Oh, it's a Cobra. Nope. We're going to work on a 1966 2+2 FastBack Mustang that has a leaky fuel pump. So, in the midst of removing the fuel pump, I guess it's not going to brighten up enough. In the midst of removing the fuel pump, which is one of the easiest jobs in the world, it's like 2 hoses, 2 bolts, pop the new one in, hook the hoses up, everything else is fine. Well, we pulled that fuel pump off and it's been sitting here for so long that the gas has gone bad. So anyhow, we're going to get under this thing, and there's a drain plug on the fuel tank, and hopefully it doesn't have too much fuel in it. We'll be able to get her done. So anyhow, I just want to share with you guys, and I'll just bring you along for the ride. Alright, so we're just going to try to pull this plug out here. It's a 3/8 square, like a drum plug. And that loosened right up for us, so just have to see what happens here. We have no idea. Oh yeah, that fuel looks terrible. No idea how much fuel's in this thing, so oh man, look at that nastiness. We're just gonna have to watch and see.
Evacuation complete. Evacuation complete. Complete.
All right,
Evacuation
so
complete.
while that's gonna finish draining, let's talk about this other car here. This is my friend's 2004 Mustang Cobra. This color, there's only like 200 and something of these made. It's all original. The only thing that's not original on this car is the tires, which the original tires are saved. And this is actually a collector's car for him. I don't have a way to block the tag, so I'm not going to show you the back, but it's a little bit dirty right now because it's been sitting in storage here. But this car has, I believe it has less than 4,000 miles on it. So it's a nice car. I'm not very much of a Ford fan, but I do like the Mustangs, especially the old Mustangs. So this one here, I'm not sure what the miles are on it. It looks like it has maybe 32,000. I don't want to open the doors because I'm working on it, so my hands are a little bit on the greasy side. The oil is not from this car. It was from a car that was stored here previously. So anyhow, this car is mostly original. I think it just doesn't, it has an Edelbrock carburetor on it, and something with the front suspension was fixed. There's no power steering or anything. It does have air conditioning. So anyhow, it's a pretty sweet car. But all right, we're gonna get back to fixing it, getting new fuel lines and everything else on it now. So okay, we'll be back.
Ready?
Yep. Oh. Again. All right, hold on. Again. All right, hold on. That might let me do it.
He's off.
Go ahead and bump it again. Oh, there we go. I think we got it that time.
Yeah, it's starting to turn it. I can hear the difference.
You gotta bump it one more time.
Ready?
Yep. Right there. Perfect. So what do you guys think? You think that fuel's bad? No.
That's good fuel.
I think got lots of life left to it.
That's hot test.
Tom says that's high test. Alright guys, so we're just gonna change these fuel lines out, all the rubber hoses, they're hard as a rock. So yeah, even this one's really hard. So we're just gonna go ahead and just replace the fuel lines in here. Unfortunately, we don't have a fuel filter, but I'm just going to blow some carburetor cleaner through it, and we'll call it good for now. It'll be better than all that bad fuel that was in it. So, anyhow, there we go. What I'm doing here is I'm going to just blow the bad gas out of the line. It's going to be hard for us to start this thing, but I think that it's a lot more important to get this line blown out. And so we still got the catch bucket in the back. I only have one camera to film with, so I can't show you both angles. But I'm just going to go ahead and blow through here and try to get whatever's left out, if anything is left. So. Okay, so a lot came out. All right.
Nice steady stream there, Chris.
All right, this is all changed. This is what came out of it. This thing, if it'll focus on it. Yeah, that hose was a little shot.
A lot shot.
just a little. Just a little. I don't know. I think we could have reused it.
Somewhere else, on somebody else's car.
Yeah, absolutely. So anyhow, this is all done. The tank's all plugged back up and getting ready to put some fuel in it. And we'll be back for a startup.
Little secret.
Put it right up to it. That wide angle. There we go. Alright guys, we're going to show you a real-time, real startup.
Primer.
Alright, right down the belly of the beast.
Right down the throat.
Drink up, sucker. Now there's no fuel in the whole lines or anything, so this thing's gonna need some cranking for sure.
It'll take several times.
Yep. The old manual choke a monster there. Oh yeah. No. There it is. You got it.
Key to go through covers.
Don't get excited yet, guys. Need another swaller there.
Yep. Another swaller, please.
All right. Ooh, yep. She got a swaller that time.
Okay. You out of the way?
Yes, sir. Yep. Woo, she's dirty. This is brand new fuel pump. starting to sound better now. Is that choke in or out? Yeah, it quit.
No, that's. I can hear it now.
Yeah,
Or if we just need to get some oil in it.
yeah, probably. Well, so here's the inside. I don't have to open the doors or anything. This thing has 82,000 miles on it. I couldn't see it all the way through the window, but it's really cool the way these old cars were made. You know, the seat folds down in the back, so you got this whole storage area and everything. I mean, kind of like the new times, but a lot cleaner in my opinion. But okay, so I'm being told right now that the console in the middle was added. That's not anything original or anything like that. But and I think the air conditioning was actually a kit that was added too, but it's got the original stereo and the push buttons and stuff. This thing's pretty cool. No power windows in here. No power brakes, no power steering, no power windows.
The only thing power is the pedal.
Yep, she's dirty, but it's a nice car. All right, guys, well, we don't have valid tags, so we're gonna end it here. Otherwise, we'll take you for a ride. But let me know if you want any more of these car type videos on the old cars. I'm sure we're probably going to be washing these up and stuff like that eventually. I don't know if you guys want to see that or not or whatever, but let me know and I'll make you a video. So, all right, well, if you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button, ring the little bell next to it, and hit that like button, leave a comment. See ya.